Alright guys, let's continue this sensor. Something like that. I mean, I can go into a lot more detail here, or I'll just keep it like that. I'll just go ahead and insert a cylinder in the middle here. Now, cool thing about this, guys, I can just kind of move this whole thing here and then kind of expand it. Alright guys, so something like that for this. Well, they can always, of course, modify it to be more accurate. Alright. At this point, we can go ahead and attach this piece. Maybe further fillet this. Right. Now we gotta work on this back piece. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Looks like we'll start with the box. Alright, let's see. Actually, let's make it, let's make it a slice instead. Control shift, let's control shift, control Z, I should say. Alright. Q, shift Q, and then delete that. Alright, I'm gonna make this smaller here. I'm just gonna go ahead and I think move it down like so. Alright. Now in order to make this even, I can S for scale, X for X scale, and then 0 to flatten it out. Nice little trick, guys, for flattening things out. Okay. Problem here, guys, is that I went all the way down here. So what can I do here, guys? I can select this, C for cut, make this the cut tool, and then kind of bring it back here, and then QQ, reconnect it back together. So guys, just simple solutions here. And then go ahead and fill it that. Alright guys. Looks like first I'll just start with right here. Once again, there's a lot of little things here. I'm just going to make it in a very simple way. Alright. I have a box on top here. Very thin box, I should say. Now we can use the array tool. All right, let's have a lot more here. All right, we'll go with something like that. Now you can see that the ones here need to be above. So I'll select this and just D that up. This one will be right here somewhere. Okay, something like that. Select this. Hold shift to select all that. Q. Sometimes guys are doing booleans, we need to wait a second for it to register. We'll see if we can't move that up a bit. Oh, let's see here. Alright, looks like there's a little bit of this right there. So I'll go ahead and give some room. Now create a little detail here. Alright guys, let's create a little bit of holes here. To get consistent holes here guys, I'll go ahead and create one. And I'll go ahead and Control D that. I'll move a little bit higher, Control D. W. Alright, got a little piece right here. We'll just use a box for that. Alright, we have one thing left to model. This is this little piece right here. Since it's rather kind of hidden here, I'll just try to make like a facsimile of it. So first of all, looks like it's going to lift it up off of here. So we'll go ahead and I'll just go ahead and D to move that up. Right, now in order to make it even with this, for example, I'll press D, I'll hold Control, hover over this edge or this face, and boom. It's now right there at that level. Right guys, it looks like we have this outer area. This is inside here and then this little thing is inside here as well. So a very simple way is just to make a box right here. Looks like this is much wider than this one. So I'm just gonna move it here. G. Sometimes guys, the gizmo is in its old orientation. Press W to just reset it. Just makes things simpler here. Select this and this. Well, maybe I need to move this a little bit to the right here. Right, select this and this. Q, Shift Q, and delete that. Now I got this inner piece here. Looks like there's a little bit of space right here. So we shall select all of these and D to move it in. Alright, as you can see, we've got rounded corners here. Set that up. And on the inside, guys, as you can see, it's kind of angular there. How do we do that? Well, there are multiple ways, but we can, for example, press O. So guys, as you notice at the beginning, it's cupping the same kind of rounded corners, but as it gets smaller, it turns back into a square. All right, so now we can just kind of move that in there. We need to make this deeper inside here. All right, guys, that's it for this part. Next part, I'll go ahead and finish it up. Thank you for watching and take care.